Hey everyone, we're gonna Lance Fantasy Gaming. We're doing August 2025 Patreon. This is part three. We're looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures. And let you guys know, I have my own Patreon with my own first miniatures that is going to be coming up for this month for $5 for two figures. And then I'll show you the September one as well. Those are still being worked at, and hopefully these two will be up by this week on Patreon for $5 and $20 for the merchant order as well. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and also vote on your figure for the following month. I believe it'll be October for it. So we're gonna show you this is the first figure. I forgot where that is. Rosetta or something. It's one of the seven S-class hero that it was part of, and this is basically the bunny suit that she wore as well. So I am actually going to test printing this probably tomorrow or Wednesday, and I'll do a little short video on it. So this is for this following month, and the other one we got is Ellen Joe. If we can actually make it bigger for it, she's still being worked on right now, and this is basically part of the ones that we're trying to work on as well. So yeah, so that is for this month. It will be two figures. For September, we got Evil Eye. This is Evil Eye. No, this is not the fully corporate one. Here we go. Evil Eye. So this is Evil Eye from Disagia that we are going to be doing for September. And we have one more that is the Succubus from Disagia as well. I've actually hired multiple people on Fiverr to make me models and see which one I like to stick with and pay for to make models and for you guys to print as well. So this looks pretty good in my opinion. I can make it a little bit bigger. So yeah, so we got this, and I just can't wait to paint them when they're ready. So check out our Patreon down in the description below, and check us out as well. So now we got Nom Nom figures. This is a figure this year. To get this one, this is probably the loot one. This is the last one. This is this one. Bagram, Titus, Marcel, Chibi, Nagi Gant, and the Chibi Black Knight. We also get Loon, Suki, Mewtwo, Chibi Thousand Sunny, and Chibi this. This is probably the loot ones and the key ones as well. Let me see if we find it. Tis but a scratch. What? They should just make him armless and legless. So I think these are from Chrono Trigger too. These are actually pretty good. I'm trying to find artists that can make something like that uh, um, fully, but we'll see. And please support and so I can make more figures. Ruben figure. This is recent project, so this is for this month. Alice's Sparkling Summer Nikki and Ruben Off Duty Queen Nikki as well. And these are the past 3 months that you can go get for it. Uh, this one I think is yeah, OXO3D figures. We got She-Hulk that's coming up. We also got Cels CL. I do not know where is she is from. I think Expedition 33 in my opinion, but I own the game, I just haven't played it. We got the Doom Girl as well. I think there's one more. I think we're getting Demon Hunter too for the incoming surprise as well. I haven't watched the anime. I wasn't really interested in it. Even though I can speak and understand Korean, I still don't really care much for it. Anime Girl STL, another figure one as well for August. I'm gonna go with I'm gonna go with that. FRSTL from Wisteria and the Sword. Uh, let's see here. So we got Yamura, Magi of the Labyrinth of Magic is the first August Girl. Chippy was probably the last month and so on for it. Gamescape, another good terrain piece for you guys as well. I think we're getting Canyon Roads event. I see here August. So we got some roads that you can. These are pretty much filament print. If you have a filament printer, this is probably the best way to print them because they're very huge. I hope you have like one of those giant printer like I do with the Anycubic Cobra 2 Max. You can do resin, and they do make it breakable resin, so you have broken bridges. You can probably make out of popsicle sticks, and I have done that too. You got some walls as well for blockade. I think they also have more than this. You got maps. Let me see if I can find some clips. Well, it comes with, let's see, 13 core parts, 5 bog roads, 4 wet roads, many special encounter roads as well. So there's a lot of stuff as well. Trader rock conversion. There's a lot of stuff you can actually use for that terrain for like Warhammer and D&D. 3D Art Guy, another figure one as well. That if you want Warhammer Proxy, this is probably the best way to get it. They do a lot of good proxies for it. I'm gonna click a couple of these so it'll load while we look at stuff. Let's see, a Conceer Armor Trench. Let it load. Freaking load! Even though I got 5 gig of internet, it won't load for it. Let's see here. Summer 5 gifts. Strong Nuclear Commander. Sci-Fi Gear. Nuclear Apocalypse. August Fantasy Pack. There it is. Yeah, sorry, it takes a while to load. For some reason, Patreon, with a lot of the other Patreon stuff, it takes forever to load for a reason. But once it loads, we'll continue. So here we go, finally loaded in many ways. So we got some, I think, Tomb Kings, and we got, I think I have 2 Custodes as well, and a Dragon. So we got a Custode. I think he's supposed to be looking like the Emperor, even though has the face of the actor. I forgot his name was from Bad Boys for it. And yes, these are like size. Now they're not actual size of Warhammer. You're gonna have to literally size them down if you want to use them as a proxy for it. So it looks like we have a Titan Reaver being cut off leg. I'll be surprised if if someone actually take this leg and just reattach it with some green stuff and glue, and just use this Titan Reaver as well. So it'd be kind of cool. We got an elf. I think it's supposed to be the same thing in many ways. Bolts. We also have this as well. Blue Dragon. That they can ride on. This is good. Okay, we got the Tomb Kings now. I have some Tomb Kings, but these are a lot better sculpted than the one Game Workshop has of the old world. Tell you the truth. Why can't my skeleton look like that? I could probably minimize it and use that. You got the Sphinx as well. So yeah, you could probably proxy the whole thing for your enjoyments in many ways. Do like the replacement of the head and then the bird, in my opinion. So yeah, that is if you want your Warhammer proxy, that's good. DM stash. This is D&D for August one as well. We doing, I think we're doing Drow. I believe, yeah, Drow Lunar Sorcerer, Drow Puglist, Dwarf Puggist, Dark Puggist, Dark Dwarves. We'll look at it. So we got Durta the Void Embrace, Dark Dwarf, got the Owlkin Ranger, Paladin of the Moon Sanctum, yeah, Lunar Sorcerer, Psionic Knights, the Forlorn Monstrosity, Demon Fighter. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you. There we go. Beyond the Plains, Bat Monstrosity, Servants of Zagyrak. I think that has fungus on it. Yep, mushrooms growing onto them as well. So the face of the house, draw lunar monk bust, and the actual statue. Lord of Eldrith, who's a big ass strider. Then Drow Pathfinder of the Deep, Assassin of the Waxing Moon, Sorcerer of the Empty Plains, and that'll be it. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Check out the Patreon as well. Talk to you guys later. Bye.